Hi, this is Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you how to increase Facebook page likes. To help you do this, I will give you some tips and strategies which will improve your skills and make your Facebook business even better and even stronger. So if you would like to know how to increase Facebook page likes for your business, continue watching this video. There are numerous benefits for your business by building more Facebook page likes. Here's a few of them. Newsfeed visibility. The more likes you have, the more your content will be seen. More traffic to your website. The more page likes you build, the more traffic you can generate to your website, blog, or e-commerce shop. By building page likes for your Facebook business page, this will also function as credibility to your business. If people like your business in some way, it's likely because the page offers high quality products and services or good valuable tips and information to help the audience in some way. Facebook page likes also function as a form of social proof. If a woman's friend with whom she shares interests with likes your business, that woman is also more likely to have an interest in your business. I will now give you some tips and strategies on how to increase Facebook page likes. Stay tuned. Step number 1. Use strong visual content on a regular basis. You should always aim to use strong, visually pleasing images that look professional, crisp, interesting, and relevant. For example, if you sell items of clothing, make sure you include the items you sell in the image. You can also make the images look more professional and portray the items in a captivating way. For example, you could instruct the model wearing your product to pose in a way that makes the clothing more visually appealing. You also want to use images with all of your Facebook page posts. This is because users are more attracted to images, and this will help your business get more attention. Visual content is simply more captivating than plain text alone. The more content you publish in the form of professional visual content, the more likely it is that your page will get more page likes. Step number 2. Connect with other Facebook pages in your niche. You can follow pages with niches that are similar to yours. For example, if you're a photographer, you can engage with other photography pages by liking and commenting on their posts through your Facebook page account. You'll need to be careful not to leave irrelevant comments that may be misread as spam, such as commenting with an overflow of hashtags or links. A good way to do this is by leaving a comment on a picture that you like on a similar page to yours, with some advice and tips, and then include a link to your Facebook page in the comment. When you begin to engage with other pages, this will help increase your exposure, as well as communicate to Facebook what your page is all about. This will make Facebook more likely to suggest your page to users who are already following pages similar to yours. Step number 3. Be sure to include a like button on your business website or blog. When you get traffic or customers to your website, these people are a great audience to target for Facebook page likes. This is because they are already interested in your business in some way. By installing the like button plugin to your website or blog, users who browse your products and services on your website or read your blog content can easily and non-intrusively like your Facebook page by clicking the like button that you put on your website. This is a very simple way to begin building more Facebook page likes that you should always include if you have a website or a blog. Step number 4. Make your content more personal for your audience. As a business owner, you don't really want to treat your business page like you would do with your personal profile. What you can do is you can throw in a post now and then to let your audience know there is a relatable person behind your business. Here is an example. If you run a family-owned restaurant, you could post a picture of a family member's birthday celebration with a brief message about who it is, using some real human emotion. By you simply adding a personal touch to your page, people will see you more as another interesting friend on Facebook, rather than a business just trying to advertise products and services. Step number 5. Optimize and completely fill in the About section on your Facebook business page. On your Facebook page, you have the About section, which is a very important part of your overall Facebook marketing strategy. By fully optimizing this section, you can increase Facebook page likes. The About section will need to include some key details of information, such as a link to your website, your business address, the year your company or business was founded, some target keyword search terms that people who are interested in your business may type into the Facebook or Google search. You can also include a few relevant hashtags and any other information that is relevant or important for your business. You see, by completing the About section on your Facebook business page, this will tell the user more about what your business and brand is all about and what you offer, and it will help establish credibility for your Facebook page. This is because when people find your Facebook page or stumble across it, they will be more likely to check out the content on your page. If you have good visual content published on your page, this will increase the likelihood of your page getting more page likes. Step number 6. Ensure that your profile and cover photos are good quality and clearly represent your business or brand. When you build your Facebook business page, you should always try to use professional photos that fully communicate what your business or brand is all about. The reason for this is because these are the first things users will see when they visit your page, so it's important to make a great first impression. You can think of this as like the sign for a shop on the street. The better and more visually appealing the cover photo on your Facebook page, the more likely it is that people will begin to engage with the content on your page, and thus increasing the probability of your page getting more page likes. Here are a few guidelines that you can follow. You should always try to use a professional image or professionally taken photo, whichever is more suitable. You can also use a paid-for royalty-free image, which are available on royalty websites. You can include some brief text stating either a benefit or an outcome that people can get when they use your business or brand. You can also include a brief call to action to a website on your cover photo. This can help you generate more traffic to your website. Every so often, you should also change the visual elements to see if your page gets more engagement, more interaction, and a higher response. You can experiment with different colour schemes and styles to see what works well for your business. Step number 7. Use video in your Facebook marketing strategy. Along with good visual content, one of the best ways to engage with users is through video marketing on Facebook. You can quickly and easily make high-quality videos that show your product or tell a story about your brand. Visual and video content typically gets the highest levels of engagement on Facebook, so by using more video on your Facebook page, you can increase page likes. You can use colourful and compelling footage and include some informative text overlay, which will help to draw viewers in. You can do something unique that will leave your viewers wanting more, as well as encouraging them to like your page. You should always try and give some value. Something like some tips to help people do something or teach people something. This way users on Facebook who see your video will be more likely to like your content and your page. So, if you would like further training on how to increase Facebook page likes in video format, please do go and click the link below the video, or at the very least go through to our website where you can have a look at our Facebook marketing online training course. I recommend you study this online course because it will teach you how to increase Facebook page likes and show you how to market your business effectively with Facebook. This training course is delivered in a step-by-step manner, so it is perfect for people who have little or no experience with Facebook. Please check out the link below the video for more information. So now let me hand it over to you. Which technique from this tutorial are you going to use first in your business? You can tell me in the comments section below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I will be more than happy to help you and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us if you could give the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best with your Facebook business. Have a brilliant day.